In this video, you will learn how to use SpeedGrader to view and grade student assignments. This is the tool you will use when providing learning feedback to students. Because of this, we want you to follow along in your sandbox. You will also get a quick introduction to Crocodoc and Turnitin, additional features in SpeedGrader. Note that in this overview, we are going to show you a lot of tools and features. We don't expect you to use every tool for every student on every assignment. However, we do want you to be aware of the tools available, so you can use what you need in the way you best see fit. To begin, go to the Modules page for your course and click on an assignment. Once the assignment opens, you can drag the lower right corner of the assignment box to expand your view. As you scroll down the page, you'll see that Turnitin has been enabled for this assignment. This tool will allow you to view the results of an originality check, something we'll cover a little later in this video. Scrolling back up, let's now click on the SpeedGrader link on the right side of the page to open the assignment in SpeedGrader. SpeedGrader is split into two sections. On the left, you can view an assignment in a window powered by Crocodoc, a tool that allows you to make annotations on submitted online assignments. And on the right, you can view Rubrics, where you will score student performance, download submissions, and make comments. When you are grading in a course, you might see hundreds or even over 1,000 students in a course. Filtering can be a powerful mechanism to manage your grading. In this view, the sections are grouped by school. SpeedGrader allows you to filter submissions by these sections. When filtering, you then only see the students who are in those sections in the drop-down list. You can also filter your results by the date the assignments were submitted, or also by their submission status, whether they need to be graded or submitted, etc. When you search, note that you can click this box to hide student names. Note that students who have submitted but need instructor grading have an orange circle by their names. Students who have submitted but need no instructor grading, or who have already been graded, have a green check mark. Those who have not yet submitted are gray. As you are grading, you can see how many items are remaining to grade. In the top right corner, you'll see a summary of how many submitted assignments have been graded and what the average score is. Let's look at the Crocodoc area. Using Crocodoc's editing commenting tools, you make comments directly in an assignment, just as if you were marking a student paper with a pen. At the top of the left-hand window, click on the Comment button. This will bring up an editing toolbar. You can highlight text, or add a text box and change the color of your font. There is also a drawing tool for circling and commenting. Use these tools to create in-context edits or short learning feedback remarks regarding a specific part in the student's work. This type of feedback helps students to know exactly where they did well and where and what they need to improve in their writing. In the drop-down comment menu, you can choose Point Comment to add a comment at a specific point in the text with an attached comment box in the margin. A text comment lets you highlight text and add a similar comment box in the margin. Finally, there's a strikeout button that lets you cross out words and add a comment above. Just above the comment menu is a download button that gives you the option to download either a Word file or an annotated PDF. When you open the PDF outside SpeedGrader, your comments will still appear. It may not appear exactly as it does in Crocodoc, as this feature is still a work in progress. When you're finished commenting on the assignment, you'll score the assignment using the rubric to the right-hand side. Let's look at the right column. Here you'll see a list of links to submitted files. You can click on these to view different versions of the assignment, which might include rough drafts from class, for example. You can download any of these by clicking on the download icon at the right. Now we're going to resize the right window by dragging on the left-hand bar. This will give us a bigger window for viewing the rubric for this assignment. It will benefit you to have a large monitor or dual monitors if you are a teacher. Now we'll go ahead and click on the View Rubric button, which opens the rubric. In this window, you can score each criterion by clicking on it directly in the Ratings column. The point value will automatically appear in the Points column at the right. To make comments to students on rubric criteria, click the small bubble icon in the Points column, which will bring up an Additional Comments dialog box. This is just one of a few areas where you can place your comments for students. When you are done scoring points, click on the Save button at the bottom of the rubric screen. This brings up a summary page showing the overall grade for the assignment, how the points were awarded, and any comments you might have made. Please note that you do not have to make a comment on each criteria. This is just to demonstrate the variety of tools open to you for commenting and providing learning feedback to students. In addition to marking a student paper and making comments in the criteria area of a rubric, you also have an area to make holistic comments to the student. Here you can make a text comment, or you can record your own audio or video message using the built-in tools in Canvas. There's even a speech-to-text feature that will type your comment as you speak it.
I really like how you improved from your rough draft.
Just hit Submit Comment when you're done adding each comment. A list of your comments will appear at the bottom of the SpeedGrader assignment summary page. This will be the space where you will post more thorough and complex learning feedback comments, ones that might be a few sentences or more. You might ask questions, and then the student can reply in return. It works similar to what you see in a Facebook feed. Finally, let's take a look at this assignment using Turnitin. Turnitin here provides an originality check on the work. Turnitin searches current and archived internet documents, academic papers, and other users who have submitted their documents to Turnitin. It compares the student work to anything in their database and provides a similarity index. A low similarity index in green indicates highly original, or not similar to works in their database. A red color and a high similarity index indicates a large match with their database and an indicator that the paper may not be original. Plagiarism, however, is always determined by a person, not a computer, and you must always look at the paper itself to see what is occurring before sounding the plagiarism alarm. To look at the results of the originality check, click on the red 100% box at the right of the screen. Note, a red box here is generally not good, nor is 100%. The box will change in color and show a different percentage depending on the similarity index of the assignment. Blue and green are what you want to see here, and a lower percentage is obviously best. When the assignment opens in Turnitin, you can see the score and any plagiarized or similar text highlighted in red. This information appears under the Originality tab at the top left of the page. This page shows all of the submitted assignments and the originality scores of each. In this instance, this paper was submitted multiple times at the University of Missouri. We used this document several times in a demonstration course. Once you are all done, exit from SpeedGrader and return to the Canvas assignment page. You can always return to SpeedGrader to review your grades and comments by clicking on Grades in the left-hand Canvas menu. On the Grades page, go directly to a specific assignment and choose SpeedGrader from the drop-down menu. This will reopen SpeedGrader and allow you to review or make any changes you need. And that is how you grade an assignment using SpeedGrader. If you have any additional questions, view the Canvas instructor guides on SpeedGrader, Crocodoc, and Turnitin.